Today we are going to discuss about the clinical presentation of a patient with a thyroid disorder. It is very clear that if you are very lucky, you can diagnose your thyroid problem from the first consultation with your doctor, or otherwise the same may not get diagnosed till death of our patient. That means a wide range fluctuations of symptoms can be seen in our patient with thyroid issues. Whatever may be the diagnosis, the symptoms are varying from patient to patient. Keep in mind, even with thyroid disorders, for a very long period, your patient may not have any symptoms as you expect in a patient with a thyroid disorder. That means the case may be purely asymptomatic, or the case may be subclinical, or even though there may be symptoms, the symptoms are very mild or moderate one only in patient with only a small percentage of patient will have the typical symptom of thyroid disorders as we expect. It means that the nature and severity of the patient are very extremely individualistic. That means the nature and severity of symptoms varying from person to person, because the signs and symptoms are mainly depends on the deficiency or excess of hormone in its amount and its duration. So the amount and duration of hormonal insufficiency or hormonal excess are the basics of the protection of the quality of symptoms. That is why in patient with thyroid disorders, not only with the thyroid disorders but most of the endocrinal disorders needs very keen, intelligent and scientific observation to evaluate or to detect or to treat our patient in a very gentle manner. So the quality of symptoms varying from person to person.